Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to study e-banking from chapter number 4, Business Services. E-banking come under banking service. So what is e-banking? E-banking means electronic banking. It is also called as virtual banking. Virtual means online. So e-banking is the online banking. Under e-banking, all the banking operations are computerized. You know that there are many developments in the field of electronics and IT. So e-banking is the result of this development. There are different elements of e-banking in our syllabus. Total 7 are there. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you key to remember these 7 elements. So do watch video till end. The first element of e-banking is automated teller machine, which is popularly known as ATM. We generally call it as anytime money, but the real full form is automated teller machine. So ATM are the electronic machines which are used to withdraw money. What we have to do? We have to insert the card, we have to put the PIN number, and then we can withdraw money. Apart from that, we can use ATM for balance inquiry, transferring money, and even we can put request for the new checkbook and even for the bank statement. ATM is very useful and convenient. Even we can use CDM, which is nothing but the cash deposit money, to deposit money into the bank. The second element of e-banking is credit cards. Credit card is a payment card and it allows the card holder to make the payment for different transaction even though he has no money in his account. The bank issues credit card to the customer and customer can use to make the payment even though they don't have balance. The bank charges interest for the same. Credit cards are nothing but the short-term loans which we get very instantly and easily. Customers don't have to carry cash, they can use credit card for their transactions. The third one is debit card. Nowadays, banks even offer debit card when you open the account. When we use debit card, the amount get deducted from account holder account. So we must have balance in our account when we use debit card. Credit card and debit card are called as plastic money and we don't have to carry cash with us, but we can use debit card and credit card for our transactions. Even some banks they provide personalized debit and credit card as per the requirement of customers. The fourth one is the RTGS. The full form of RTGS is real time gross settlement. RTGS is nothing but the fund transfer system which take place from one account to another account and from one bank to another bank. It happens on the real time means at that time and that's why it is called as the real time gross settlement. For RTGS, the minimum amount is 2 lakhs rupees. Then you can transfer that amount and there is no upper limit for transaction. RTGS is very safe and it is the fastest money transfer system in banking channel. We can transfer minimum 2 lakhs rupees from any account to any bank. Now what is the meaning of real time and gross settlement? Real time means there will be no waiting period. As soon as you transfer the money, it will get processed and within 2 hours the money will be shown in the account of the other person. Gross settlement means the transaction will be settled on one-to-one basis and it will not be bunched by the bank. Once we transfer the money for individual client, the money will get transferred. So it is called real time means instantly at that time and gross settlement means one-to-one basis settlement. After that there is the NEFT. The major drawback of RTGS is that we have to transfer minimum 2 lakhs rupees. But what about the others? So they have the option of NEFT. NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. You can transfer the fund electronically at national level anywhere in India. So under this system, funds are transferred electronically from one branch to another branch or from one bank to another bank in the country. Client has to give the details like they have to give the account number, they have to provide the IFSC code to whom they are sending the money. Now, what is the difference between RTGS and NEFT? So, RTGS settlement take place at the time when we transfer the amount, while NEFT settlement takes in the bunches and it has the waiting period. Whenever we transfer the amount through NEFT, immediately it will not be received in the account, but it will take time from bank to get it settled. RTGS transfer is done on the gross settlement means one to one basis, while NEFT is done in the bunches. The next element of e-banking is net banking and mobile banking. Net banking means internet banking. For that, we need the internet connection. We can use our computers, laptops, or any other electronic gadget to operate the net banking. With the help of net banking, we can go to the website of the bank and we can check various transactions, we can do various transactions, we can make various payment, we can transfer the fund and so many other facilities. Mobile banking means we use our mobile phone for the banking service. We have to download the banking app in our smartphone and we have to register with the bank for this. Then client can perform various transactions such as transfer of fund, stopping the payment, issue of checkbook and many other. The last element of e-banking is IMPS facility. IMPS means immediate payment services. So there are three facilities for transferring the fund: NEFT, RTGS and IMPS. Through IMPS, customers can instantly transfer money from one account to the another account. Now see, NEFT and RTGS services will be unavailable on weekends and bank holidays, but IMPS services can be availed round the clock, anytime, any day. NEFT transfer fund in time batches, not instantly, but RTGS and IMPS they transfer money instantly. NEFT and IMPS have no minimum value while RTGS has the minimum value of rupees 2 lakhs. We have to transfer minimum 2 lakhs for RTGS. So, in this way, you can use any facility as per your requirement. Now, the main part: how to remember these points. Elements of e banking. Just remember AC, doctor, NNI, which stands for these 7 elements. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Take care and see you soon.